Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. It took us pretty long to make this complicated asymmetric dress. Sometimes when I walk on the street I think, what a rare thing nowadays it is to see a good dressed woman. I put on this dress, my silver accessories, and here I am, catching admiring glances. I want everyone to be beautiful, and I try very hard to make my dream come true. Now let's have a look at this dress. You already know that it's not that easy to make it. Have a look at this detail. It starts on the front and goes to the back, ending with an angle. Notice that the bottom of the dress is also asymmetric, both on the front and on the back. This is absolutely the same dress as the one we made for Victoria. Color is the only difference. Now have a look at the bottom on the front. It's also asymmetric, and there's an angle on the center front. We need to forget about simple designs, which make us look simple too. We need to look good, so that when you pass someone, he or she thinks, what a dress! Or even better, what a lady! Have a look at the sleeves. Such sleeves with slits are very comfortable. Due to these slits, the fabric on the back doesn't stretch when I raise my arms. The dress was made of linen fabric of a very good quality. The lining was made of cambric. The bottom was edged with the welt. Have a look at this detail. It seems very simple. It was stitched in the princess seam. Anyway, it makes me hide those parts of my body which I want to hide. It also makes me look much slimmer. Notice that the dress is pretty wide at the same time. I don't recommend making close-fitting linen items. Linen fabric becomes crumpled very fast. Guys, we need to be different and beautiful. And it doesn't even matter if you're going to work or spending a day off at home. Looking good will help you feel good too. I want you to understand that looking good and stylish doesn't mean looking the way everyone does. Find your own style. Choose the designs and colors which suit you. Don't try to look like you girls in the magazines. They are way too perfect, not real. The thing is that you need to feel not only beautiful, but also comfortable. That's why we need to soothe ourselves. No one knows your body better than you. Have a look at me. Now you can see the whole outfit. Of course, we can't wear high heels every day, all day long. Anyway, sometimes every woman has to put high heels on, at least just to understand how elegant you feel wearing them. You may think that I look inappropriate for a 59-year-old woman. We are as old as we feel ourselves. I feel very comfortable in bright colors and high heels. It's my own choice. What is also very important is that when searching for your own style, you shouldn't listen to anybody, including me. Find designs which suit you. Wear clothes in which you feel comfortable and confident. Your state of mind is the only thing that matters in the end. Have a close look at the details once again. The asymmetric bottom, the so-called collar, the sleeves, the second detachable detail. Very nice. Do not listen to those who say that people of big sizes can't look good. We can, and we will. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.